will be starting the keynote session in 5 minutes. Please find a seat in the hall.
Intel 技术公司的话，我们的承诺要不断推进技术、创新技术，开发更好的应用，为消费者。
And we use volumetric rendering to then take a look and see what's going on inside the human body. So as you can see, if I take a point of interest and move it around, I'm not just looking at one MRI, I'm actually now rendering across 3 separate images. And that really, you can see, it starts to tax a processor and allows me to look at not just one point of view, but 3 points of view. I can then rotate. And so it really allows doctors and medical technicians to really dive in and diagnose people much, much faster than they have in the past.
Clearly, the web and the PC have worked together to give great power to the individual. And that power, we believe, is literally changing the world.
Yeah, HTC Shift is very innovative devices which had seamlessly integrated all kinds of advanced wireless technology. And it has a keyboard here, so it just you can non-compromise keyboard experience. And with this very powerful Vista operating system, HTC Shift is going to bridge the gap between being mobile and being in the office. And with this HTC's wireless and form factor innovation and Intel's new automobile platform, Carson, and then we believe this will deliver the ultimate in mobility.
Fantastic.
Close, second part open.
Use it and tell us what you think about it.
Okay.
You get to see his fast fingers in action now.